Dino Splash, The Ocean Adventure. A long, long time ago, when the earth was wild and full of wonders, there were not just dinosaurs on land, but amazing creatures in the deep blue sea. In the warm, sparkling waters of the ancient ocean lived a young plesiosaur. She had a long neck, flipper-like arms, and loved to swim fast and do flips in the waves. The plesiosaur lived with her family in a coral cave near Bubble Reef. Her best friend was a clever mosasaur who could glide through the water like a shadow. "Race you to the rock tower," called the plesiosaur one morning. "Ready, set, go," replied the mosasaur, zooming off like a torpedo. They twisted, turned, and splashed their way to the tallest rock in the reef. At the top, they rested and watched colorful fish swim below. Just then, a strong current swept through the water, carrying shiny seaweed and a strange noise. "Whoa! What was that?" asked the mosasaur, tilting his head. "Let's go find out," said the plesiosaur, always excited for adventure. They followed the sound through coral tunnels and glowing caves until they found something very strange. A giant seashell stuck in the rocks, and it was making music. "It's glowing," said the mosasaur. Suddenly the shell opened, and out popped a small glowing sea creature. It looked like a baby squid with shiny rainbow spots. "Hello?" the plesiosaur whispered. The creature made a high-pitched squeak and hid behind the shell. "Don't be scared," said the mosasaur gently. "We're friendly," the baby squid finally peeked out. "I got lost. I'm looking for my family, the Glowfin clan." The plesiosaur gasped. "They live deep in the Twinkle Trench. That's far away, but we can take you there," said the mosasaur proudly. So the three new friends began their underwater journey, dodging seaweed forests, riding on bubble streams, and hiding from a grumpy old ichthyosaur who didn't like visitors. They passed a school of jellyfish, floated over sleeping ammonites, and even met a giant turtle who gave them directions. Finally, after swimming through a glowing cave of crystals, they reached Twinkle Trench, a magical place filled with glowing sea creatures dancing like stars. "There they are," squealed the baby squid, swimming toward a group of shining squids with swirling rainbow patterns. His family rushed to him with happy squeaks and squirts of glowing ink. "Thank you for bringing our little one home," said the Glowfin Queen. "You two are brave and kind." The queen gave them each a glowing pearl. "For your courage," she said, "and for being true ocean heroes." The plesiosaur and mosasaur swam back home under the light of the glowing pearls. "That was the best adventure ever," said the plesiosaur, doing a happy spin. "And we didn't even get lost," laughed the mosasaur. As they reached their coral cave, the sun was setting over the water, turning the sea gold and pink. They snuggled into their favorite sleeping shells and whispered their new ocean song. "Bubbles rise and stars will shine. Through reef and trench, your heart is mine. With friends beside in sea so wide, we ride the waves with Dino pride."